morning, everyone. Today, the thought of the day is you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start it to be great. This implies that you don't need to excel in something to start something, but to be great in that, you must start it.
A very good morning, respected principal, worthy teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I, Vikas Devasi of Class 11 Commerce, I am here to tell you all about the great independence celebration called as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. It is the 75th celebration of the India's Independence Day. While celebrating the Amrit Mahotsav, we all Indians will once again turn the pages of the history and know in detail about all the important events, movements, and great revolutionaries during the freedom struggle. Due to this Mahotsav, we all have got the golden opportunity that we'll also be able to know about the freedom fighters who are lost somewhere in the history. The great effort of the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji is highly commendable. His vision of making this Mahotsav a nationwide festival is a really praiseworthy thing. The pillar of this Mahotsav is that every citizen of India should know about the untold incidents about the freedom struggle. And during this Mahotsav, considering the 75 years and the period of achievement, the country will take 75 new resolutions during the Mahotsav. Amrit Mahotsav is a people's festival, and the participation in this is really huge. It is a very honorable thing that 130 crore Indians will take participation in this Mahotsav. The young generation of our country and the next generation will get to know a lot about the independence and the struggle that the freedom fighters fought, and will learn the things and think to make the future better. This is an occasion of enthusiasm and respect for all of us. We should all be thankful to the freedom fighters and know about the great history of the country by ensuring our participation in the Festival of Independence. We should respect our freedom fighters and take pledge that will always respect and protect our motherland. Jai Hind. Thank you and have a nice day.
It is incredible how just a few words have the power to unite the whole nation. This Independence Day, the most beautiful words ever written woven together as our national anthem, will unite us like never before. Good morning to all. This is Tanvi from 11th Commerce for sharing my views on the topic आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव। 75 साल हुए आज़ादी को, चलो आज फिर एकता दिखाते हैं, मिलकर आज़ादी का महोत्सव मनाते हैं, मिलकर आज़ादी का महोत्सव मनाते हैं। आज़ादी के इस तोहफे को ना जाने कितने शहीदों ने अपने रक्त से सींचा है, तब जाकर पाई आज़ादी, तभी स्वतंत्र हर कोई यहाँ जीता है। तब जाकर पाई आज़ादी, तभी स्वतंत्र हर कोई यहाँ जीता है। आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव, चलो देश को प्रणाम करें, देश श्रद्धांजलि वीरों को उनका हम सम्मान करें, देश श्रद्धांजलि वीरों को उनका हम सम्मान करें। इस आज़ादी का यही है नारा, पूरे विश्व में भारत बने महान हमारा। आज़ादी के अमृत पर्व पर स्वच्छता की कसम हम खाते हैं, राष्ट्रपिता को सम्मान आज दिलाते हैं, राष्ट्रपिता को सम्मान आज दिलाते हैं। 75 साल हुए आज़ादी को, चलो आज फिर एकता दिखाते हैं, मिलकर आज़ादी का महोत्सव मनाते हैं, मिलकर आज़ादी का महोत्सव मनाते हैं। थैंक्स एंड हैव अ वंडरफुल डे अहेड।
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा, जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे